Today we are changing the cabin air filter on a 2018 Mazda CX-5. The cabin air filter is behind the glove box, so first you must remove all contents inside. On the right side of the glove box is a dampening arm that can easily be removed. Next, there are stoppers on both the right side and the left side of the glove box. Squeeze the sides of the glove box to pop them out. You should now be able to drop or completely remove the glove box to gain access to the cabin air filter. Simply push up on the filter clip at the bottom and pull out. Notice how effective this filter is in removing undesirable elements from entering the cabin of the car. Here I will be installing a MicroGard cabin air filter, part number 4083, that was purchased from my nearby O'Reilly Auto Parts store. Notice the airflow direction. It's a good idea to write down the installation date on the front of the filter in either black or gray Sharpie. Push the filter in until it snaps into position. Again, squeeze the sides of the glove box to get the stoppers past the sides. Reinstall the dampener arm. You might need to pull down on it to get it back into position. Lastly, return the contents to the glove box and you're all done. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was relevant and useful to you.